In this tutorial, we will be learning about opening multiple programs at once. I'm using Windows 7 and this is my desktop. Let's say you want to play a video. For that, you open up Windows Media Player. I have its icon on my desktop. I'll simply double click this. Suppose I want to play this video. I click on play. The video is playing now. Let's say I want to minimize that and open up another program. I simply minimize this one and open up Mozilla Firefox. Now it will open up Mozilla Firefox and I can surf the internet. Let's say I want to go to google.com. It's there. So we are watching a video, surfing the internet, and let's say now I want to open up some notes. So I go to Notepad and start typing. Minimize that. Let's say I want to draw a picture. I go to Paint and start drawing a picture. So if you can see, we are in the Paint, we're drawing a picture. Our Notepad is also opened along with the media player that is playing that video, and we are also surfing the internet. So this is how we can open multiple programs at once by just minimizing them and opening another program. Let's say if you want to close any of them, you can directly go to the close button and close them if you want to. Thank you.